Good morning. Thought I'd come out here on this cool, brisk day and enjoy my breakfast. Yogurt, Greek yogurt, cherries, frozen cherries, and pumpkin seeds, roasted pumpkin seeds. Trying to figure out what I'm going to do today. Am I going to lay mulch? I've got some computer work I need to get done. Some decisions I got to make about what I'm going to do in the future. Work in my garden. But it's a beautiful day. Don't want to do any of it, really. But sit here and eat and enjoy my view. Some big boats coming out now. Looks like some fishing boats, but now it looks like some bigger boats. See if I can get a video of them. Looks like a houseboat, maybe another fishing boat. I just received my package of hyacinths for my pond. I ordered them from Esty online. I could not find anything locally here. I even searched out, an hour or so away, and nobody seemed to have them. Or the guy that I bought them from last year, I didn't even buy them. Well, I did buy some last year from him. It was an hour away, and they were almost dead. And they never did really well, but I called him again this year to see if he had any before I made a trip, and he didn't have any. But I've got him here, and I'm going to stick them in my pond. I should have 8 of them, but I'm telling you what, it looks like I have a good batch of them, and these things will start to grow. I'll probably cover them in my pond. I put a cover so to keep the deer away until these get established, because the deer love these. I mean, I've seen them clean out my pond in 5 minutes munching. I don't have a very big pond. It's just more of a little fish pond. I've got some goldfish and things like that in there, and I've had it for over 20 years, and I just try to keep it. And I don't use a lot of chemicals, but I do like to keep water plants in there to keep my water clear and clean. So look at these water hyacinths. I finally got it open. I was supposed to get 8 of them. I think they were $24.99, but look how healthy they are. I'm just really happy with those. These things will start growing pretty darn quick in my pond. Looks like I've got more than 8. I'm definitely going to give her a good review on her account through Esty. These are very, very nice plants, and I ordered them Sunday afternoon, and today is Wednesday, and look how quick I got them. So I'm going to toss these into my little pond here, and I'll show you what it looks like. This will definitely help clear up my pond issue that I have as far as algae and things like that. So I am going to toss those in right now. Okay, so I've thrown my water hyacinths in my pond. It's just a little pond. Um, it's probably about 2.5 feet deep when you get into the middle of the pond, and I do have some fish in here that I've had for 8-9 years, and they have multiplied. But I love the water hyacinths. Eventually they will sprout out and cover my whole pond, and it will help with keeping my pond clean. I've got a little bit of a lily pad. My neighbor gave me some of those last year to the right hand corner here, and it seems like it's grown this year too. I didn't know if it'd come back or not from the winter that we had, but they do come back. The hyacinths will die out, but I'm going to try to figure out a way I can keep these going for next year. But I want to show you what these hyacinths look like after I've thrown them into the pond here. I got several that have different shoots that come out. So I really got more than 8, but I'm really happy with. These will break apart and start growing or just multiply, but I'm real happy with what I received today. They were awesome. So I'll put a cover on it, keep the deer out, and we'll see how we do with that. The deer love to eat those pond plants. I added the cover to keep the deer out. I'll let these things grow maybe a few days and see what happens at that point. What, you tired now? You were up all night, wanting to sleep outside in this cool air. Now you want to go into bed. You sleeping? You sleepy? You want to go beddy? You tired? You up all night listening to all the wildlife out here. Is that what it was? You want to go bed? Yeah, that's exactly it. You want to go beddy? Okay, we'll go to bed. You want to go back in and go to bed? Guess not. You'll just sit out here then.